Hi, I'm Wesley Sugarman. That's my wife Deirdre. That's Kelly, my best friend since 2nd grade. And that's the bathroom where my wife found out she was gay. Now they're my neighbors here, in Chardonnay Hills. Oh, come on, Kel. There's no way any real woman could do something like that.
You don't even know what a woman can do.
How could this even be up for discussion? Are you even watching the same thing I am? I mean, look at her. She's got 5 cocks in her mouth, 2 in her ass, and 1 in her vagina.
Talent.
I mean, why don't we just stamp IHOP on her forehead for International House of Penis?
You know what, Wes? Until you are laying spread eagle naked out in the middle of a football field with a banana up your ass, I really don't think that you are one to judge. I mean, this is coming from the guy whose entire sexual resume consists of 1 woman in 1 position.
I'll have you know there's been more than one.
What, more than 1 woman or more than 1 position?
Mr. Selleck and I have had many vaginas in many different positions, Kel. You don't know everything.
I know lepers that have had more positions than you have, man, and they're missing body parts. Do you know how hard it is to do the reverse cowboy with no legs? Just trying to balance up there.
Really, Kel? Lepers? You're comparing me to lepers? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? That no woman in her right mind would want to have sex with me, Kelly? Hurtful.
Oh, for Christ's sake, Betty. Alright. Alright, man whore. And I did say man whore. I meant that from my heart, man. Man whore. It's kind of turning me on. I'm hungry. So, since you can only help me with one of those things, why don't you make yourself useful? Order some pizza.
No.
Yeah, call Fang.
No.
Call Fang, man. Get us some pizza.
No.
What the fuck? Get off your ass and call Fang, you fucking bastard!
Oh my god, okay already! There, it's ringing.
Oh, good. Thanks for keeping me updated.
Ming Fang piece of power. We beat it, you eat it. You order now.
Hey, Mr. Fang. It's Wesley.
Oh, Mr. West. So good to hear from you today. You want usual?
Hey! How's that yellow slanty-eyed bastard doing?
Oh, is that Miss Carrie? You tell her Ming say she's so funny.
Ming says you so funny. Ha 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 ha.
Of course. Hey, Fang! Don't forget the crushed red pepper this time. Quit pushing me, man.
Jesus, I can't hear it.
You tell your wife munch up. Ming don't forget red pepper.
Hey, Fang, you got turbo on that rickshaw?
Pizza Vita in 30 minutes. Ming have new delivery boy. We call him Red Lightning.
Lightning? Hey, 30 minutes.
Oh, good.
30 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Fang.
Bye, Fang.
That Mr. West need to want some balls. Fuck. Oh. Pizza now.
30 minutes. Pizza be here in 30 minutes.
All right, cool.
My name is Wesley Sugarman, and this is my friend Kelly, and we're watching porn again.
Hurry up, my boy. Get moving, you fucker.
Not again. Just act cool. Just act cool. Act cool.
She compares me to all the lepers in the land, saying I can do reverse cowboy again. But I hop on and I get nasty. Me and Mr. Selleck has had vagina all over, and it's been real wet and very juicy. But I can't help it because I'm Wesley Sugar Man. Shake the back, that back, shake the back.
Yeah.
Pop that, you don't like it. Ooh. I'm Wesley Sugar Man.
Come here often? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Where the hell am I?
I got my 6-shooter right in my pants. You're gonna get it, cause you're looking at me all wrong, and I don't like it. Shoot me the boom, bop, damn. Shoot me the boom, boom, boom. Go, go, go. Yeah. Ah, nice, man. That rock.
This doesn't look like canvas anymore. Turn around.
That was really good.
Go on a tour.
Yeah, you got some skills, man.
Wesley Sugar Man, he wants to spread his candy all over the land.
It's catchy,
I know.
right?
I need a beer. Good stuff.
You getting thirsty? Where's the damn pizza?
Watch out, or you'll get white lightning-ified. You'll get Electra. You'll get zapped. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, shit. Yep.
Hey, how are you doing?
You know, I'm just slaving away, working for the man.
Hey, you tell that pizza boy we ain't paying for no late-ass pizza.
I'm so sorry about that.
I've got it. Yo, it's not Pizza Boy, bro. Okay, it's DJ. And, yeah, you're gonna pay for it.
But, let's be reasonable, DJ. I called you like 2 hours ago.
Yeah, not my problem, bro. All I know is that you ordered and I delivered.
What is that?
Yeah, haha, real funny, bro.
No, I mean, really, have you taken... I'm not gonna pay for that.
What's your malfunction, bro?
What
Yeah,
the
I'm not
fuck? It's
gonna
taking so long.
pay for that.
Jesus Christ, I'm hungry, starving. I'm like one of those Ethiopian kids with flies all over my face. What is taking? Oh, this is White Lightning, right? Lightning.
The flesh.
Right. Jesus, what do you got? Like cancer of the hurry the fuck up organ? Huh? Did the chemo make you stupid, or was that just natural?
Yeah. You're the one to talk, man, boobs.
Oh, DJ, she's not a man. She's not...
Hey, whatever you guys tell yourselves at night, alright?
I'm not the one to judge, you know?
What?
Anyway, so you guys gonna pay for the pizza or what? I mean...
No, like I said, DJ, not if that's the pizza, we're not...
Dude, for real, this is real, authentic Italian pizza.
We're not paying for that pizza.
My boss ain't here. He's got no reign over me right now.
He looks dangerous.
How's about we make a deal, yeah? You guys pork over, like, you know, I don't know, the tip or something like that. I'll give you the pizza for free.
We're not paying you a thing, Spicoli.
Yeah.
Quit chirping in my ear, Wes. If you want the pizza, you deal with it. You deal with it. Take care of it.
How much, DJ?
$4?
Make it 2.
Is he serious? Are you serious, bro? It takes me more in gas money to get here.
I am not a bro.
Whatever, dude.
Okay, $3, DJ. $3.
All right.
$3?
Yeah. $3. Come on.
Yeah, keep walking, bud. Come on, let's have some pie.
Oh.
What are we doing now, Wes? What? Are you dancing? All right.
My name is Wesley Sugarman, and this is my friend Kelly, and we're watching porn again. My wife left me for a lesbian. She could have had a stranger, but she took my best friend. S-U-G-A-R-B-E-R-R-I-S. Sugar berries. It's just a mess.
What?
S-U-G-A-R-B-E-R-R-I-S. Sugar berries. It's just a mess. Kelly compares me to all the lepers in the land.
I do.
She says I can't do reverse cowboy again. But
She should have IHOP stamped on her forehead. I mean, look at that. International House of
me and
Pancakes.
Mr. Stanley get really nasty. S-U-G-A-R-B-E-R-R-I-S. Sugar berries. It's just a mess. Say what? S-U-G-A-R-B-E-R-R-I-S. Sugar berries. It's just a mess.